I don't have internet.
But I got you connected. It should work.
Oh, maybe my mom wants to talk to me. And my mom wants to talk to me too.
Oh my God, why? Oh, because of the ring? Because of the ring? I got the right here, look.
Wala pa na. Later na.
What? She's hungry. Babe, you hungry? Babe, I'm hungry. Stupid internet. I hate it. Someone like you. So we're gonna try this again because this Skynet Wi-Fi is bullshit.
Okay. Please now. Or you? Or you wanna make it work for you? It's 3?
That? How much is that there?
6.
So that's all you're gonna eat?
Yeah.
And then all this chicken, what? You gonna eat this tomorrow? Why? Oh my God.
What did you say?
You're not gonna eat all that tomorrow.
What's this one? Ow!
That should be me. So you gonna put it in the freezer?
Yeah.
So you gonna put it in a bag or no? You gotta put it in a bag. Put it. Here. So you know this is. You said you're gonna eat 3 pieces when you got here. I thought you were maybe gonna eat half a chicken or something. So we bought a whole chicken, and she wants to eat 2 pieces of a whole chicken. Oh my god. Anyway. Yeah, your brother said, Na najaj bita ima uyab dra. What the hell? Na najaj bita im uyab dra. I know that's boyfriend. What is that? What is that? What did he say?
No.
What did he say?
She wants my phone.
Your mom wants your phone?
Because my brother don't have phone. Buang. Buang, wakoy kwarta.
Oh, that's your mom?
No, it's my brother.
So what do you mean she wants your phone?
Yeah, he wants my phone.
Oh, your brother wants your phone.
Yeah.
What do you mean he wants your phone? Then
Oh.
what do you tell him? What do you tell him?
What? I'm not gonna give my phone for him. I don't have phone. I don't have money to buy a new phone, you know.
What the hell? Oh my god. There's a rat over there.
I'm gonna cook that one.
No, stop. What happened to your brother's phone? What happened to your brother's phone? No,
No, not that one.
this is the big one.